Top 5 Best Steam Cleaners. Number 5. Steamfast SF-370. For a faster, streak-free shine on your windows, use a steam cleaner. This Steamfast model gives you the power and portability to effectively clean all the glass in your house. The 6.5-foot extension hose lets you reach high-up windows. And the 15 cleaning tools, including a squeegee and microfiber pads, let you clean your windows and other surfaces like glass shower doors. The large water tank capacity lets you steam for 45 minutes, so you don't have to stop frequently. Plus, you can use the integrated cord wrap to store the power cord, hassle-free. Pros customers love the trigger lock, so you don't have to hold the steam button down while you work. Users found this model very easy to push and maneuver. Good value for the price. Users say the customer service is very helpful. Cons. The parts can feel cheap and may break. Some customers found that this is not a very durable steam cleaner. Coming in number 4. Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning. As an easy solution for washing and sanitizing hard floors, you can use an affordable steam mop. This Shark steam mop is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and has a 22-foot cord so you can reach every corner. For shining floors, the direct steam channeling system distributes moisture over the entire mop pad. But if you need to target a particularly stubborn spot, the steam blaster system sends bursts of steam right there. And if your hard floors are really dirty, the touch-free technology means you don't have to touch the soiled pads with your hands. Finally, the double-sided cleaning pads mean you'll spend more time cleaning your hard floors and less time washing the pads. Pros: easy to assemble and quick to start cleaning. Customers love the 3 settings that let you control the amount of steam. Users find this steam cleaner removes more stains than other mop models, and it makes the floors shiny. Customers like how lightweight this model is, and that it doesn't take up much storage space. Cons. Does not stand up by itself. No on or off switch, so you need to keep it moving as soon as you plug it in. Coming in number 3. Wagner Spraytech On Demand. Carpet fibers stubbornly hold grime. But a carpet steam cleaner effectively removes even the stickiest messes. This Wagner carpet steam cleaner comes with 18 attachments, including 5 brushes and a fabric steamer, to get the stains out of your carpets. And the water heats up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can really deep clean those carpet stains. The steam cleaner runs for 40 minutes on a full tank, so you have plenty of time to work on those carpet stains before you need to refill. Plus, there's a compartment built into the canister, so you can easily store some accessories. Pros: customers find it works well on household and auto carpets, and even removes sticky candy. Great steam pressure. Users find it effective for getting dirt out of hard-to-reach places, such as the cup holders in your car. Extra long hose. Doesn't weigh much, and it's easy to maneuver. Cons: customers find the power cord to be extremely short, so you will probably need an extension cord. Some users found the brushes melted from the heat. The storage compartment is too small to hold all of the cleaning tools. Coming in number 2. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. When you have many things to clean, you don't want a separate appliance for each task. This Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner can do it all. With 17 included accessories, you can clean grout lines and sanitize virtually every part of your house. Plus, this unit has a retractable handle and only weighs 9 pounds, so you can easily carry it to different rooms. You get 50 minutes of cleaning time with each refill, and it uses regular tap water, so you don't have to buy anything extra. In addition, the integrated funnel means you won't make a mess when you refill it. Pros. The steam cleaner is durable, intuitive, and easy to assemble. Customers love how quietly it runs. The retractable handle and compact design make it easy to store. More affordable than comparable models. Cons. No refill indicator light. Users have found that the steam cleaner may drip while in use, so carry a towel with you. The handle and hose may get hot when in use for a long time. Coming in number 1. McCulloch Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. When you need to deep clean but don't want to use a chemical cleaning solution, a steam cleaner is a perfect option. We chose this McCulloch as our best model for its large capacity, powerful steam output, and convenient features. This cleaner perfectly balances tank size and weight. That means you won't have to keep refilling it, but you can still comfortably carry it around your house. The 18 included accessories let you clean every area of your house, plus your car and garage. And features like a steam lock switch and caster wheels make your cleaning jobs less tiresome. Prosa customers have found that the steam is hot enough to kill bedbugs in addition to shining floors and removing wallpaper. Great value for the price. Users say it feels sturdy and high quality. The long hose is useful for getting under furniture and in other hard-to-reach places. Cons. If you pull too quickly, the hubcaps can come loose from the back wheels. A few customers say that the handle may get hot if you steam continuously for too long. No place to wrap the cord for storage.